In this demo, we are going to show how AVEVA Teamwork enables the frontline workers to take a problem they encounter and turn it into a documented solution that can help other operators and team members in the future. This demo tells the story of Isabella Torres. She is one of the operators who works in the case packer. Today, she's going to encounter a problem at work where she will use AVEVA Teamwork to call for help. Her coworkers will then be able to respond to help minimize the downtime and solve the problem. After operations go back to normal, the supervisor will then be able to take the known solution and create a documented troubleshoot that can be easily accessed in the future. The other actors we will see in this story are the designated case packer experts, Liam Martin, who is the maintenance manager, and Natalie Morin, who is the maintenance technician. We will see how they are quickly notified when the problem occurs, which enables them to help solve the issue and later to document it. Today starts like most days for Isabella. She's working on the case packer and trying to keep the production rate high. Unfortunately, she encounters a persistent problem that is causing microstops and accumulating downtime. She decides to put out a call for help, so she grabs the iPad from its charging station and logs into AVEVA Teamwork. Once in the app, Isabella is able to quickly create a new call for help, categorizing it as a maintenance problem of high priority. She needs to assign the issue to her equipment, so she uses the quick access feature to scan the QR code at the case packer. Isabella will now enter a description of the problem she's having and then snap a quick picture of the issue to include with her post. And at that point, she's done. She just hits save, and the call for help is complete. This is where our other two actors come into the story. First, we have Liam Martin, the maintenance supervisor, who is working at his desk. As soon as Isabella posts her call for help, he sees a notification pop up on his Teamwork feed. Clicking on the bell icon, he can see that Isabella just posted a call for help. The notification will take him directly to the details of her post. Once he learns about the problem, he can post suggestions on how to fix it. He knows who he thinks can help, so Liam can assign someone to the call for help, which will cause a notification to be sent to that person as well. Meanwhile, while Liam was at his desk, Natalie Morin, the maintenance mechanic, was out in the plant with her iPad. Since she is a designated expert on the case packer, Natalie immediately received an iOS notification when Isabella posted her call for help. Natalie can quickly log in to see what's going on. She can then add her own suggestions for how to fix the problem. Maybe she'll even head over to give Isabella a hand. Now, let's revisit Isabella, the person who initiated the call for help. When Liam and Natalie offered suggestions, she was notified of each and was able to see what they wrote. Since she now knows that Natalie is coming to help, she can go to the Kanban board and update the status of her request. She will move it from open to in progress so that the line manager can see that the issue is being addressed. Isabella and Natalie work together to fix the problem and get the line running smoothly again. At that point, Isabella closes the call for help and enters data about how their problem was successfully resolved. After production has returned to normal, Liam is back at his desk thinking about what just happened. He knows this can occur again, but that it will probably be a while, so he wants to make sure to document this problem and its solution. He decides to create a troubleshoot out of the call for help. The troubleshoot automatically has the information collected from the call for help. Liam can now add details such as the category and the thumbnail picture. He can edit the title of the troubleshoot to be more specific about the issue it addresses. He can also decide how often this troubleshoot should be reviewed for updates or changes. Next, he can enter more information about the problem. This is a great place to add details about what happened, how it can be identified, additional pictures or videos, or anything else that will help operators in the future. Liam chooses to leave the original information from Isabella, but also adds his own text providing more details about the incident. Now it's time to add more information about the solution. This is where details really matter, because this is where Liam can provide all kinds of resources to the operator. Like on the problem section, Liam is going to leave the original information, but add more details as well, using the text tool. Many content types are available to choose from, such as text, videos, and pictures, utilizing the proven golden circle of what, how, why, external links, and symbols. Liam is going to include an external link to the Robotic Arms user manual. He is also going to add a picture that provides details about the approved spare parts to use. Now, Liam is able to preview the troubleshoot before he publishes it. He can see exactly what it will look like, test his links and other content, and decide if any changes are necessary. Once he is satisfied, he can publish the troubleshoot. At that point, he can see the equipment that the troubleshoot would be tied to, which is automatically done by AVEVA Teamwork. If he wants to make changes, he can add or remove equipment and/or products. After that, he pushes the save, and he's done. In our case, the troubleshoot requires no further approvals, and it is now available to operations. If approvals were required, the approvers would be notified automatically. Liam can verify that the troubleshoot is now an official part of the documentation on the case packer. He navigates to the equipment page and sees his new troubleshoot listed and available for use. Today started out with some problems on the line, but by using AVEVA Teamwork, Isabella, Liam, and Natalie were able to work together to minimize the impact on production. Liam capitalized on the things they learned by taking the call for help and turning it into a documented troubleshoot. In the future, whenever that problem surfaces again, operators will quickly be able to address the issue and know for sure how to fix it.